बारिश का पानी हो तुम, कागज की कश्ती हूँ मैं, तुझ में कहीं मैं बह जाता मिलने हूँ तुमसे आता, वापस नहीं जा पाता, थोड़ा वहीं पे रह जाता हूँ। तेरी अदा अदा पे मरता मैं, वफा वफा सी करता क्यों, हदों से हूँ गुजरता मैं, जरा 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 तुम तो दरअसल एक नया नूर हो, ख्वाबों में आते आती जरा तुम दूर हो, जैसी भी हो हमेशा ही मंजूर हो, जैसी भी हो हमेशा ही मंजूर हो.
Okay, so we start with the question before someone interrupts us. So, first question is, what is your craft?
As you can see, my craft is music. So I'm just not just a guitarist or a vocalist. I'm a musician altogether, meaning I play 27 music instruments, and I specialize in all of them. And my main thing is not vocals.
Oh my
Just
god.
to be clear.
Oh my god.
I'm a singer-songwriter as well.
Okay. What is your like main
Production.
production?
Yeah, and music direction.
Music direction. Best. Okay, so going a bit on the past, a certain childhood memory or like a bit of the journey till here.
The first thing that I can say is like my mom talking about me singing to the tunes that I used to hear on TV when I was just 3 months old, I guess. And जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि मॉम ऐसे झोली में मेरे को सुलाती थी, and I used to sing myself to sleep. I used to like hum some tunes, and वो exact tunes रहेगा, and she used to be very fascinated about it, and she told me about it like 6 years back. So that time I got to know कि okay कि बचपन से मतलब when I was just a baby I had it. And since my family is also from music, my dad is an international musician, but like it runs down in my family. But in my family every musician has their one instrument that they specialize in, and I'm like an outlaw in that, and they are basically all classical musicians, and I'm the only one who's in western. So बोलते ना कि आउटकास्ट वाला वाइब है.
Rebel वाला vibe है.
नहीं रिबेल नहीं बोल सकते बट आउटकास्ट.
आपका outcast
या
वाला है.
बिकॉज दे आर लाइक कि यू डू व्हाट यू वांट बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट लाइक कि हम सब कुछ तुम्हारे पीछे ही है. यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन ग्राउंड्स.
Okay, okay.
बिकॉज इफ क्लासिकल ऐसा जर्नी है तो वी हैव एंसेस्टर्स वर्थ ऑफ एडवाइस टू गिव, बट वेस्टर्न इज समथिंग हम कभी गए ही नहीं. तो जो भी तुम्हें बनाना है तुम्हें ही बनाना है, एंड वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट कि हाँ हाँ तू जा, हम कभी रोकेंगे नहीं, बट विल नॉट पुश यू एज वेल.
Makes sense. Okay, so music was definitely not a hobby then.
No.
You grew up with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll say some unique influences, because you are an outcast in the Western era. Some unique influences.
Okay, so there are few artists that fascinated me a lot. One of which obviously is A.R. Rahman. Like he just changed my entire world of music. Because during my childhood, my father used to teach me classical music, Basically Carnatic music in South India, it's like अलग specification है. There's two, Hindustani and there's Carnatic. So I learned Carnatic music for like 2 years. उसका basics पढ़ा. Then my dad taught me an instrument called mridangam. It's a percussion instrument. जो पखवाज बोलते हैं उसका Carnatic version. So he taught me that. So I got to know about the beat knowledge and stuff. And फिर I stopped Carnatic music entirely. I then started playing keyboard. I used to play harmonium and I begged my dad to buy me a keyboard. And he thought कि चल भजन में बजा ही लेगा ऐसा करके लिया. And from there my actual music journey started when I started learning. The first song that I remember, I guess, is Kal Ho Na Ho from the movie Kal Ho Na Ho. So that is the first song that I ever played like अपने आप से.
So A.R. Rahman is one.
Yeah, A.R. Rahman is definitely one of them. Then Vishal Shekhar.
Vishal Shekhar.
Then there's, I guess, Preetham.
Of course.
And there's Hollywood artist.
We'll
After
we
that,
take
yeah.
that also.
Yeah, Hollywood artist में there's Michael Jackson.
Definitely.
Anytime Michael Jackson, Britney Houston, Backstreet Boys. There are a lot of people. So I'm not.
Okay,
really
we'll
sure,
stop
yeah.
there. We'll stop there. Okay. Do you have any aspirations towards the industry as such?
No, as far as I know, industry is something that is like nepotic.
Yeah. Bit toxic.
Yeah, and I just want my music to be heard.
Yeah. So no like that sort of fame and anything like that.
I've never been into fame as such, but I just wanted my music to be heard. And as far as I've been in my industrial side, everybody loves newcomers. So it's definitely a path to go through. It's an experience, and obviously industry is also an experience. Like you get to know people who work with big people, and then you get to be, like open around them, which is definitely a very great experience to be. So yeah, industry is not bad, but I'm not into industrial stuff. Cause then our own fingerprint is there. Like everyone has their own fingerprint and in their art. That is my signature. Like something XYZ is my signature. That goes away when you go into industry. Industry में industry का एक expectation रहेगा. You have to go through that, and that is not something that I can do. Because मैं अपनी दिल की सुनता सिर्फ.
एक सेकंड जतिन कोई लेडी का आवाज आ रहा है क्या? एक बार मेरा फोन चेक करेगा. एक सेकंड. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है वो गूगल सर्च कर रहा है.
हाँ?
मेरे को एक लेडी का आवाज आ रहा है. एक वॉइस आ रहा है मुझे.
वो बाजू वाले रूम का रहेगा.
लेक्चर्स चल रहा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा अच्छा.
लैब का है. बट आई डोंट थिंक वो कैच करेगा इतना.
चल रहा है ना. आ जाओ वापस. मुझे वो बग कर रहा है. मुझे लगा यहाँ पे भी आएगा.
बहुत माइन्यूट है वो.
हाँ हाँ चलेगा. तो लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द जर्नी इन पिलाई. योर थर्ड ईयर BMS ना. तो देयर इज डेफिनेटली अ स्टेज फैक्टर. Were you involved with stage before college happened?
Yeah.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
So like first experience to current experience, what's the evolution?
First experience is like child, I was very small. Like what, senior KG.
Oh wow.
That was my first stage experience. Like I am from NHPS, पनवेल. So वो बचपन से वहाँ पे stages and all performance रहता ही है. एंड वो सीनियर KG से लेकर 10th तक मैं वहाँ के म्यूज़िक रूम में पढ़ा रहा. 11th का म्यूज़िक रूम में. एंड अभी यहाँ पे.
Being devoted to one thing for like such a, I'd say till you like till today's life you're devoted to that.
Yeah, of course.
Feel like you're missing out somewhere something.
I don't think so. I've never thought of it like कि am I missing out something? Because I live by one rule, that is never regret something that you do and never do something that you regret.
Okay.
So thank you. So if you are doing something, then you make sure कि हाँ ये करने से मुझे बाद में ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि नहीं ये नहीं कुछ और करना चाहिए था. So that is something that is satisfactory. So if I am making a choice, then I have to be okay with it. Anyhow.
Golden words. Any evolution from first year to third year in Pillai College?
A lot.
A lot. Some.
First, I have a list. First of all, you should never have any expectations when you're stage.
Oh wow.
Because there are times when people give you a lot of hype. There are some times when people are unbothered, they are busy, they are maybe eating or they are talking or they're over some stuff. So what you have to focus on is your performance, your vibe. You have to enjoy. That the four corners of those stage is the place where you can be you, where no one can come to you and say no, you can't do this. That is your safe place. So you first of all is that no expectations. Second of all कि never expect any gear कि mic मिलेगा, jack मिलेगा, सब चलेगा अच्छे से. You can never expect. In Birla College तो करते नहीं. But one thing, I'm just being brutally honest.
Definitely.
But it has its perks too. Because अगर ऐसे stage, Pillai College is not a small place, or Pillai College का stage is not a small stage. It's a very big stage, and a lot of people from abroad also come to see, especially events like Alegria. तो ऐसे moments पे तुम कैसे handle करते हो crowd को, that is what they see. And I still remember last year, like my second year, and there's a artist Harshal Patil, he's in FIBMM, and we both were called to the main stage, and 2.5 घंटा कुछ तो artist late हो गया था, and we were supposed to cover on the spot. हमारे पास कुछ set नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. Like उसको मैंने देखा, उसने मुझे देखा, चलो करते. And just my guitar, there was a percussionist with us and us both. हम लोग बस गाए जा रहे. At a point of time, public को भी समझा कि हाँ बोर हो रहा है, but they are trying. So they also cheered us. तो ऐसा वो बोलते ना कि एक point of time बाद we connect to the audience and the audience connect to us. So वो जब वो energy आ जाता है ना, it's just fascinating. It's just amazing.
It's magic.
हाँ. तो अलग, the stage is something different. You can just experience it. You cannot properly describe it in a way that someone can understand completely. For that to happen, you need to be in a stage जहाँ पे हो रहा है, and you need to experience that. So yeah.
The rain is very beautiful today.
Yeah, I know, right?
So distracting. Okay. Okay, so definitely producing and direction is on the top of the list, but still vocalizing is what I've known you for majority.
Okay.
So I'd say that becomes one of your prime instrument.
Okay.
And instruments are supposed to be practiced and kept. So
Yeah.
like how do you maintain your vocals properly, some exercises, something like that?
There are breathing exercises, there are vocal exercises, there are exercises that you physically do to keep your vocals okay. So I'm so sorry, वो लगा भी कहाँ नहीं ना. So it's a very tricky question because it depends on person to person कि वो कैसे अपना इसका ध्यान रखता है. Because actually I don't take care of my vocals that much.
That rigorously disciplined way.
Yeah, I take care of my hands, my instruments very precisely, but I don't take care of my vocals that much because it is always in use. Like either while talking or while eating,
Yeah.
you are straining your this much part and this much part every day.
Yeah.
So as such practice का ज़रूरत मुझे नहीं लगा, but it is important. I'm not saying it's not important, but the thing is कि I picture myself as a backing vocalist, someone who supports the main vocals. अगर if you look at my performances in general also, जब फिलर्स के साथ 5-5 मिनट जब मैं when I go solo, that is different, and whenever I go with someone else, I'm always there to support the vocals. तो मेरा ऐसा सब फॉल्स वॉइसेस में जाता है, एकदम पतला वॉइस रहता है, ऐसा वाला वॉइस रहता है. सो दिस डजंट नीड मच प्रैक्टिस, इट ओनली नीड्स प्रेसिजन ऑन व्हाट नोट आई एम इन. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अभी ये स्केल है, तो इसका थर्ड या फिफ्थ नोट रहेगा, सो दैट मेक्स इट लाइक बोलते ना कि मोर मेस्मराइजिंग, इट मेक्स द सॉन्ग साउंड मोर ब्यूटीफुल.
बैक एंड.
हाँ, बैक एंड वाला. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल तनु कितना मैं प्यार करा, ये सॉन्ग है, तो इसका बैकिंग है तनु कितना मैं प्यार करा. इफ समवन वाज देयर
ऑन द
वो
फ्रंट
पता, हाँ, तो समझ में आएगा कि साथ में आएगा तो कैसा लगता है
पैकेज.
हाँ. सो म्यूजिशियंस नो
या
when they hear this कि they know हाँ यार क्या बाप चीज़ है, but when a normal person hears अरे यार ये कहाँ से साउंड आ रहा है, ऐसा आता है. but that is some advanced tricks that we play just to make the performance sound better. Yeah, so vocal exercises as such तो मैं उतना करता नहीं, but I do make other vocalists do it, because obviously that is very important, and उनके चक्कर में मेरा भी हो जाता है. तो ऐसा है.
There is one rumor. I wouldn't say rumor. It's just a fact check I want to do. Like sitting and performing, is that a better from a vocal standpoint, or standing and performing is better?
Okay. I would personally prefer standing and performing, because हर एक म्यूजिशियन को ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को होता नहीं है, स्टेज फ्राइट आता है at some point कि अरे अभी परफॉर्म करना है, oh my god, okay लाइक दिस हैपन्स. हम जब बैठ के परफॉर्म करते तो हम लोग को जो नर्वसनेस आता है वो इट टेक्स ओवर द होल बॉडी. जब व्हेन वी आर स्टैंडिंग, व्हेन वी आर लाइक इंटरेक्टिंग विद द पब्लिक ना, वो नर्वसनेस शेक ऑफ हो जाता है. इफ़ यू saw yesterday's performance, our Onam celebration was there, and मेरा माइक अचानक से बंद हो गया. I was singing and मेरा माइक अचानक से बंद हो गया, एंड सब लोग देख रहे हैं. फिर बाजू से किसी ने ऐसा माइक ला के दिया गाने को, एंड आई वाज सिंगिंग एंड देन उनका पार्ट है. नाउ व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू डू, मैं भी गाने का था. मैंने क्या किया वो नर्वसनेस निकालने के लिए मैं उतर गया. आई वेंट टू द पब्लिक एंड आई स्टार्टेड जैमिंग विद द पब्लिक, लाइक जाके चलो नाचो ऐसा करने लगा. सो वो टाइम में कैसे कि सामने वालों को भी उतना दिमाग क्लिक करने को टाइम ही नहीं देने का कि नहीं हम लोग की इधर से बैक एंड से मिस्टेक हुआ है. सो वी आर कवरिंग दैट अप बाय इम्प्रोवाइजिंग, और यू कैन से लाइक बाय हाइपिंग, कि पब्लिक के साथ जाके इंटरेक्ट कर रहे थे, दे आर दैट मच इनटू अस. एग्जैक्टली. सो उन लोगों का अरे यार ये सामने हमारे साथ नाच रहे, वाओ. So that becomes a wow element. Criticism is actually good, but to a point where you can take it.
Of course.
अगर criticism इतना बढ़ जाता है कि तुम सही करो गलत करो सब पे criticism आता है तो फिर
तो गए काम से.
हाँ,
कहीं ना कहीं बैलेंस बिगड़ जाता है. You lose your footing.
Criticism should never be personal, taken personally.
It's never personal.
But people, and there are artists too who take criticism personally कि तूने मुझे कैसे बोल दिया. And I just hate that kind of people. कि तो मैं लाइक कि एक बार बोल देता हूँ कि आई सी कि हाँ ये क्रिटिसिज्म ले सकता है, फाइन. इफ नॉट देन हाँ ठीक है, ओके आई जस्ट सेड, अब से मैं नहीं बोल रहा. आई जस्ट बी ऑन माय. हाँ,
I believe you should keep like your personal life, your work life, somewhere it's you only, but try to keep them a bit gap. Hey, back to the question. You definitely have fans. You तो definitely have fans. I've saved your number as Shiv Music Star Pillai.
Oh shit.
Because I'm also a fan. Being not like completely known to your artistry, I'm calling it artistry. You okay with?
Yeah.
I'm calling it artistry. Not being completely known, but I'm still a fan because the vibe you carry is very sweet. So sweet. Like, how can a person be this sweet? Because writing, you have to mix bad traits in a person, otherwise he or she is not interesting as a character.
Yeah.
So you somewhere try to find that in other people. It's not the case for you. That's why I'm such a big fan. So you definitely have fans. What is the most sweetest or most memorable fan experience of you? Like you got out of stage and someone just
Okay. So that is a very nice question. I think the the most amazing compliment that I got was from Youth Fest this year.
oh
So we had lost. Okay. We got the consolation prize. We deserved first actually. हम लोग का टीम भी बहुत अच्छा था, हमारा सेट भी बहुत यूनिक था. इवन द जजेस सेड कि योर टीम वाज डिजर्विंग, बट कॉलेज का फैसिलिटेटिव रीजंस के वजह से हमारा लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस हुआ एंड उसके वजह से वी गॉट द कंसोलेशन प्राइज, बट स्टिल दे गेव अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन फॉर अस. तो उतना अच्छा था. हाँ, so what happened is कि while they were like pointing out stuff, they said कि each person from our group has a solo voice जो एक solo singing competition के लिए best है. But as a group performance, because of the lack of mic practice, you couldn't do as much as you could have done solo. And she pointed me out, and she was like from the batch of 2005 Youth Fest. उसकी वो टाइम की विनर अभी की जज थी, एंड शी जस्ट पॉइंटेड आउट कि योर स्किल्स विद द पियानो एंड विद द वोकल्स आर समथिंग दैट पीपल शुड लर्न फ्रॉम. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि अ पर्सन हु इज़ दैट ग्रेट, शी इज सेइंग दिस अबाउट मी, तो मतलब भाई कुछ तो मतलब मेहनत का कुछ तो फल मिला है. I was like that. So that's one. And second is from Apna college, and that was like there was a senior, and she just came and जैसे मैं परफॉर्मेंस से स्टेज से उतरा एंड आई जस्ट वेंट टू द बैक स्टेज एंड शी वाज लाइक oh my god, I love you, and I was like okay. That was the first time I encountered something like that. And the third and I would conclude this as the last one is when I went to a competition, solo singing competition, but we had a duet round, and I went with my colleague Vaishnavi from Playlist, and we sang two songs there. One was Saiya and one was Until I Found You. And हम लोग का ऐसा बैकिंग वाला इसमें पूरा वी वन दैट राउंड. एंड वन गाय, ही वाज द CL हेड ऑफ दैट कॉलेज, ठाकुर कॉलेज कांदिवली. ही जस्ट केम एंड जस्ट लाइड इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. वो ऐसा हाथ जोड़ के बोलता भाई तुम, एंड मेरी फट गई. मैं एकदम से ऐसा उठ के ऐसे क्या कर रहा है ब्रो, बोलता ब्रो तू गॉड है. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि कुछ भी मत बोल. So that was something that was the first time that I encountered कि यार backing is actually a thing, कि people
notice it and appreciate it.
Yeah, people become fascinated by it. ये क्या चीज़ है, हाँ ऐसा legit ऐसा, और वो तो लेट गया. सच्ची मेरी फट गई थी. I was like कि वो शूज वीज उठा ले आया क्या कि you can't allow.
Wow.
So I was like कि हाँ, so that was the like 3 best moments of my.
We'll do one more.
What?
One more best moment, please.
नहीं अभी.
If I expected fangirling, like fangirling is definitely one strong point. I only had one fangirling, the rest two, like if it's from like someone of a large demeanor, that's definitely number one. This extent.
हाँ, I was like, वो भी on stage.
On stage. Oh my god.
In front of judges.
Oh my god.
And the judges, I have the video, the judges' reaction throughout the song. So उनको तो ऐसा हो गया था कि बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने सातों आसमान देख लिया, ऐसा रिएक्शन था उन लोग का. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट वो हमारा बाई फार दी बेस्ट सेट था क्योंकि we had not tried something like that,
Okay.
like in college also. वो हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट था, क्योंकि we both were participating against each other and that round was a duet round. तो हम लोगों ने as participants साथ में किया. So we both got the points and the finals were like वो तो मेरे से बहुत बहुत अच्छा गाती है. She's a proper lead singer. So she has a very like bassy voice and so she won. And I was there till the second round too. So I'm always there like हाँ backing and also supporting. वैसा रहता मेरा.
Doing music for such a long time, of course, there was that question about missing out, and I don't feel that way. That's just awesome because, just like the judges said, it is an experience.
Yeah.
Even this is an experience. I'm having such a good time.
Even I.
Thank you very much. Uh, is there something new that you're like? I'm a big fan of experimentation. Like all of my ideas, all of my films that I want to make or like I have dabbled in, all of them are experimental.
Okay.
Like, just love experimenting. So, what are the new things that you are trying to experiment? Anything?
So one thing about me is that I'm multilingual.
Yeah.
So I don't stick to Hindi when it comes to singing, and I barely know many songs. That is a fact about me. I know a very handful amount of songs, but I know them so well कि मैं ऐसा नींद से उठ के भी गा दूंगा. So one of the most cliche songs that I have is Samajavaragamna from
Okay.
that Allu Arjun's movie. And that is also because Sid Sriram sung that, and I have a similar voice, so I sing all of his songs. So I know all of his genre ka songs, and I like to experiment genres. So I'm always into experimentation and stuff, and backing vocals and harmonies is something that is always experimental. And it's finding the harmonies, finding the notes on spot is a very challenging thing, which I like, obviously. So I am always into that.
Because we are from film background, I would like any future, any parallel universe which is Shiv directing a film.
I would be, if even if it is like, I wouldn't be directing a film. I would be
Or any other
musically
role.
directing.
Musically
Yeah,
directing.
directing the music. Yeah.
Directing the music of a film. Yeah. That definitely makes sense, man.
Yeah. So I'm not into the visuals and stuff because I barely know anything.
Yeah.
I just know about the music, the musically, everything I know. So I'm always into that.
Yeah, it's just a question because
Yeah.
we didn't know we were that inclined towards visuals. So I just ask everyone if you're coming on. Okay. Switch pages. You want to do the artistic identity question?
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
We'll do it. But before that, any rituals before the stage?
I just think about the previous performance that I've done and the mistakes I've done there, and I just keep in my mind कि हाँ last time ये किया था, ये time नहीं करना है. And I think about my mentor, my brother, who's the founder of the band. I think about him. I think about my instruments. Just एक बार कर लेता हूँ, and then I go.
Very sorted out person.
हाँ.
Very sorted out person. Like ironed.
It's actually better to keep it sorted
Yeah,
because
of course.
last moment पे भाग दौड़े, अरे ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ, फिर बोलते हैं ना कि luck वाला basis डालना is not my thing, because हम stage में जाते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, it's on us. It's not on luck. Luck is obviously a factor at some point, but that is just a leap of faith, I feel. So जो भी है करना है, हमको ही करना है.
I wasn't talking about your practices or like physical. I was talking.
No, like अभी
your
for example
thought.
कि किसी माता को
नहीं.
याद करके या फिर गणपति बाबा मोरया बोल के जाते हैं,
हाँ.
वैसा वाला
नहीं है.
हाँ वैसा वाला एज सच तो नहीं है, बट यूजुअली ग्रुप परफॉर्मेंस रहता है तो लेट्स गो प्लेलिस्ट ऐसा हम लोग
That
करते हैं.
hype.
हाँ वो हाइप एक कि नॉट फॉर मी बट फॉर माई फेलो कलीग्स कि हाँ जाके करना है यार, मचाना है. वी हैव दैट माइंड सेट. मतलब अकेले जाता हूँ तो आई डोंट यूजुअली गेट इन टू दैट मच ऑफ अ थॉट बिकॉज मोस्टली मैं एंग्जाइटी में रहता हूँ.
The same question, which is advice to newcomers.
First thing is कि don't give up because there are times when everything seems difficult. आजू बाजू का सब आगे जा रहा है, हम सिर्फ पीछे रह गए. Because in a way I am in that situation कि मैं अभी I've been trying to put out my music but nothing is going my way, so I'm like मैं रुका हूँ कि अभी होएगा थोड़ा टाइम में, मैं खुद सॉर्टेड हो जाऊँगा. सो द मेन थिंग इज़ कि नॉट गिव आउट होप, कि होप्स नहीं छोड़ना है कि नहीं होएगा, कि होएगा. हमेशा लेके चलना है कि होएगा, अभी नहीं होएगा तो कभी ना कभी होएगा. जस्ट हैव टू कीप ट्राइंग. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट अ लीप ऑफ फेथ कि हाँ ये रिस्क है, ये मैंने ये रिस्क उठाया, उसका लॉस तो हमें सहना ही है, बट अगर प्रॉफिट हुआ तो भी अपना है. सो वन थिंग इज़ दैट. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि be as collaborative as you can be because you will never know what you might find in yourself because पहले I used to be like that. I used to be only like कि मैं सिर्फ यही बजाता हूँ, मुझे यही करना है. I used to be with that. Like मेरे डैड ने बहुत मुझे कंपेल किया है कि कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक कर बट आई वाज लाइक नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेस्टर्न करना. वेस्टर्न में भी आई हैड जस्ट वन जॉनर, बट फिर वो बाद में जब चेंज हुआ एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग अदर जॉनरास, इट जस्ट चेंज्ड माय होल लाइफ. मेरा सबके टुवर्ड्स पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया. देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक एज वेल. माय डैड आल्सो बिकेम हैप्पी. मैंने कि ऐसे कैसे चेंज हो गया, मुझे जिसने चेंज किया मुझे मिलना है उससे, आई नीड टू थैंक हिम, ऐसा वाला सब था. बट व्हाट आई गॉट टू लर्न इज दैट हैविंग अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और वो अपना पूरा ऐसा बोलते ना कि माइंड खोल देता. सो दैट इज़ द एडवाइस दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव mainly.
Wrap this up with the last question. Who is Shiv?
Okay, so that's a very complicated question because I have never thought about it like as such कि who is Shiv. I think I need to think about it. Wait, who is Shiv? I think I would prefer my music as me. My music is basically just connections, words, thoughts, feelings that connect to the audience. Even when I'm on stage, even if someone is listening to my song, I just want them to know that what I am feeling is your feeling as well. Your feeling is similar to mine and we can both feel the same thing, and so that we can both vibe. So I think Shiv is a vibe.
It's definitely a vibe.
Thank you so
I
much.
guess we're done here.
Okay.
How was the experience? You can tell to the camera.
This is so good. This is so awesome. And this is like my first proper interview, and I just loved it.
Yeah. I again forgot the Bengali song. It came to me mid-interview.
Okay. You should have wrote it down.
बहुत मैं इश्क हो गया मुझे आज मुझे एक तो हो गया, खत्म हो गया.